Ladies and gentlemen, Showbiz invites you to join in with us now as we pay a special tribute to one of the greatest entertainers of our generation, Michael Jackson.
You, ooh. Go on, girl. Go on. Go on right now. Will you make me feel? Will you make me feel? Really turn me on. Really turn me on. You knock me off of my feet now, baby. Ooh. The lonely days I go. The lonely days I go. But you, ooh. Hey, baby, I was just wondering if come on over here, Mama. Yeah. Lay off my territory.
Be a better place. If you don't like what I'm saying, then won't you slap my face? Cause I'm bad, I'm bad. Jump on it. You know I'm bad, I'm bad. You know it. I'm bad, I'm bad. Come on, you know. And the whole world has to answer right now just to tell you once again who's bad.
Thank you, everybody. Hold it down. Hold it down. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. I, Rolf the Wolf, I actually decided to take a good look in the mirror to see if I like what I saw. I don't need to tell you, I did. But hey, if you look in the mirror and you don't like what you see, then get a nose job or a cleft put in your chin or something, I don't know.
I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good, gonna make a difference, gonna make things right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter's coat, this thing is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street without enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see them bleed?
A summer's disregard,
a broken bottle top,
and a one-man soul.
They follow each other on the wind, you know,
'cause they got nowhere to go.
that's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could get any clearer. If you want to make a world a better place, you better look at yourself and make a change. Hey, I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Oh, I'm asking him to change his ways. Oh, no message could get any clearer. If you want to make a world a better place, you better look at yourself and make that change. I'm asking him to change his ways. Message could have been any clearer. If you want to make a world a better place, you better look at yourself and make a change. Better get it right while you got the time. When you close your eyes and you close out your mind. That man in the mirror. Oh yeah, I'm asking him to change. If you want to make the world a better place, you better look at yourself and make that change. Na 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 na. Oh yeah, na 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 na. I want you to make a change today. Make that change. Put your pizzas down right now. Put your drink down. Come on. Man in the mirror. Get down to the hill now. Yeah. Get up. Make that change. I'm looking at the man in the mirror. Who are you looking at right now? Man in the mirror. Make that change. Make a change today. Not on the outside. Not on the outside. Man in the mirror. Deep inside your soul now. Man, take a look and change. You'll feel better for it today.